Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16P5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we'll address a common issue many users face, the flickering screen on the MSI MS16P5. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including loose connections, faulty display drivers, or even a failing screen. If left unresolved, the flickering can worsen, leading to potential damage to your laptop screen or impacting your overall experience. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's important to ensure you have everything ready before you begin. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the base of your laptop. Keep track of the screws, as there will be different sizes. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing in place. With the casing removed, you will see the internal components. The next step is to locate the display cable, which is usually connected to the motherboard and the back of the screen. Inspect the cable for any signs of wear or disconnection. If it looks loose, carefully disconnect it by gently pulling it out of the socket. If it appears damaged, you will need to replace it. To do this, simply take your new cable and connect it securely to both the motherboard and the screen. Make sure it's seated properly to avoid any further issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reconnecting the display cable, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the casing back onto the base, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping them. Once everything is back together, power on your laptop to verify that the flickering issue is resolved. If the screen still flickers, the problem may lie with the screen itself, in which case, professional assistance might be required. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to handle your laptop carefully, avoid placing it in areas where it may be subject to physical stress, and keep your device's software updated. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.